Back at Disneyland after the grand reopening. As of right now, as of this filming, the tram is not available. So you got this nice little healthy tram walk or tram climb, which is something when I was a little kid I always thought, man, wouldn't it be cool to be able to walk the tram trail? Here I am, decades later, walking the tram trail. And it's a nice little nature hike. They say you don't have to wear masks, so I just analyze the situation. When nobody's around, take a break from the masks. When people are around and they don't wear masks, I don't wear a mask. When people are around and they wear a mask, I'm courteous and I put the mask on out of respect for my neighbor. Memories, the famous monorail path. Here's a treat for you all. It's the Cruella de Vil mobile from the live-action Disney movie Cruella. Welcome back to California Adventures. Last time we were here was for the Taste of Disney. Is it Taste or Touch? Last time we were here was for a Touch of Disney, where you got to sample all the food. Now we're back, and the ride's completely open. This is the moment I've been waiting for. The reveal of Avengers Campus. Avengers merch? Oh my god, I can't wait. The reveal of Avengers Campus. That's for the ride. So that's only if they call you up that you can go on the ride? But you can go in now? No wait? Wow, it's like Universal Studios Orlando.
Oh, that space tower really doesn't fit the aesthetic.
Yeah, that's another planet. How long's the wait?
About an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Hour and a half to 2 hours. Does it shorten as it gets later in the day?
Yes. I just don't know when, but it does.
Wow.
So
You guys close at 9, so
we close at 9.
7 o'clock, you think I'd still be waiting an hour? Or
Oh
like?
no, it should die down way before that.
Oh, all right. Oh my gosh.
Everybody that's in the line right now did not get in the virtual queue. Or they're so eager because they got a later ad.
What do you think we're gonna be eating? Flo's or here?
I mean, you didn't eat the fried chicken. Flo's has a burger, fried chicken, and
Burger?
burger, fried chicken,
Because you said burger and fried chicken fast. I thought you meant like waffle
fried chicken burger, and chicken tenders.
I got goosebumps by visiting Avengers. That's a good question.
I think this is part of the queue to get into Avengers.
Oh, Avengers Campus?
That's how big the line is.
Is this the line for Cars Land?
This is the line for standby to get into Avengers Campus.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Cars Land, you could just walk ahead, and then Racers, the big cars attraction, that's at the end of the road.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
The pier, just beyond the distance. I didn't get my camera was malfunctioning at the entrance. So all these guys are agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.?
Oh, they're not dead, remember?
Are they some kind of like task force that helps the Avengers? Pawns? Ground?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Did Miles Morales do all of this?
You'd be surprised. You just look for the signature right on that black circle.
So we got all this graffiti art, and if you've seen Spider-Man Multiverse, you know Miles Morales does street art. There's his signature, Miles. Wow, this is incredible. The show.
And honor of the first lieutenant of Wakanda forever. In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the government army? Huh? Who will come forth and show us your courage? Oh, come now. I know there's more bravery among you than these. Oh, Kobe, blue light. What is your name, young one? Shaira. Where are you from? You are from Wakanda. Warrior Shaira from the Wakandan tribe. You are courageous for coming forward.
Web has brought together the world's most brilliant engineers and given them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House.
Who was that?
No se sabe qué harán los jóvenes a continuación, así que no tengas ese grupo, permanezcas sentado en el río Spiderman, los aislados de las energías tierras dentro de transporte en todo.
You're supposed to stop the spiders, the robot spiders.
Just sit back and enjoy the show.
What ride is this?
Toy Story Midway Mania. I mean, Smuggler's Run.
Supervise your children from the main scenic with your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Una vez
This is the Spider-Man ride at Avengers Campus. Get ready to sling some webs.
For your safety, once on board the slinger vehicle, please stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise children. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo del vehículo
the Spiderman ride. We're this close to getting on the ride.
That's it. Move all the way into the Slinger vehicle, take a seat, and put those web vision targeting glasses on. They make everyone look cool.
Wow, you look cool with those glasses on.
Everybody does.
Make sure it locks.
Putting on those Spider-Man glasses because everyone looks cool wearing them.
You can wear them now?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright, then. Make sure.
Hold on.
Web shooters calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the extreme disaster.
Wait, I thought the front level was still an exponential rate. Yeah, that also sounds right.
I got you.
Who else here? Guys, I'm glad to see you guys. They're heading into the tunnels. We gotta catch them.
Elevator level 2 out of control. Should I call for more help now?
No. We can handle it. It's a small problem. Actually.
We did, but I'm detecting unstable spots ahead. Elevating threat level to legit crazy.
Yeah, that sounds right. I'm trapped. Whoa, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant box survived. What?
We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, it's been done it without them.
That was also your idea.
Hey, it's Peter. Looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony. Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your wits and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it. You saved the campus. It was that easy for you. Take care.